Hi there angels and welcome back to my channel. This is Shivi here and today we are going to be doing 3 different hairstyles for the festive season because it has finally arrived and I'm so happy. And all of these hairstyles are going to be for the open hair and I hope you guys are going to love them, and these are perfectly suitable for any kind of outfit that you might be wearing for Diwali or for Navratri Puja and for any function that you're going to. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with today's video. Let's start with hairstyle number 1, guys, and for this hairstyle we are going to do French braid on both our sides. So I'm first of all working on the left side of my hair, and I have taken a section of my hair divided into 3 different parts. And the only difference is when you reach your back strand, you add some hair into it, and when you reach your right strand, you add some hair into it from the front. So again, when you reach your back strand, you add some hair into it from the back, and you are going to keep on repeating the process until you reach your ear end. So this hairstyle might seem complicated to you, but it is not at all complicated. It's really easy. It's just that you have to add some hair into it every time you pick a section. Now once you reach your ear end, you do not have to add any more hair, and you have to straight away braid your hair the way you do a 3-strand braid. And once done, you have to tie it off with the help of a hair tie. Now repeat the process on the other side as well. Add a mang tika in order to amp up your hairstyle, and that's it, guys. This looks really great. Now we are on to hairstyle number 2, and this is really easy. Now you have to deep part your hair. You can do it on any side. I have done it on my right, and then you have to pick a section and just twist it. So add some hair and twist it, add some hair and twist it, and I have done it twice. If you want to make it more intricate, you can actually do it thrice or 4 times as well. 4 times is maximum, and that's it, guys. Add a jewelry to your outfit. So I have wore this necklace, and this looks really pretty. It's a very simple hairstyle, but it looks adorable. And here we are at the last hairstyle, and for this one you have to again mid part your hair, and I'm going to work on my left part, and I'm going to pick a section of my hair, just twist it twice. So you do not have to twist it a lot, just twice or thrice. And once that is done, I'm going to pull the hair so that it does not look like very tied up. You have to just loosen up your hair so that it falls really nice on your face. And when done, you have to pin a bobby pin over there so that it stays right over there. And then I've done a fishtail braid. You can actually do a 3-strand braid as well, but I felt like fishtail braid would make it more, intricate and detailed. And then you have to do the same process on the other side. That's it. So here we are at the end of the video, guys, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed it. If you really did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And do not forget to share this video with your friends so that they could also do amazing hairstyles like these. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Until then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.